Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I am cleaning my master bedroom and bathroom. So come along with me as I get everything looking spick and span. So I'm just sprinkling some baking soda over the carpet and letting my Roomba clean it up just to kind of freshen up the carpet a little bit. My husband and daughter have a no sensitivity to the other kind of scented carpet fresh things. It always ends up giving them a headache, so I try to avoid that when I can. I have a love-hate relationship with our dark furniture in our bedroom. The furniture was given to us as hand-me-downs, and they're really well made. They're beautiful, but dark furniture isn't really my kind of like style. And also our side tables don't match, so my husband said no to actually painting the dressers because they are such good quality, but I am going to repaint the side tables because they're IKEA. So give me suggestions on what color I should paint them. Should I paint them black or white or what? First thing I like to do is put my toilet cleaner in and let it sit, and then spray my shower with the vinegar and Dawn solution to kind of let that sit a little bit. And I decided that I was going to change out my shower curtain because it's pretty dark in my bathroom, and as you'll see, my bathroom is awkward. We have a separate room for our shower and toilet, and then we have a room for our vanities and my big like jacuzzi tub, so it's hard to film in there. While I'm cleaning my shower, I'm going to run vinegar through the jets to kind of clean them out. And full disclosure, I really clean my shower in the nude. After I shower, I just take that little scrubby thing with Dawn dish soap and vinegar, and I just like scrub down my shower to kind of daily clean it. And yeah, it felt weird being fully clothed in my shower, but you know, YouTube. So here is my clean bedroom. I really need to decorate this room. I want to get a different bedspread, and I need a full-length mirror right there beside the bathroom. And I kind of never decorate my bedroom because I'm the only one that sees it, but I think it would make me happy if it was decorated, so I'm going to try and spruce it up a little bit. Here is my bathroom all clean. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.